Hey guys, Mike back out here in the RC corner. Now I have this little 124 scale crawler truck. I've been getting a fair amount of questions about, and people sending me comments and things offline off YouTube about this, and they're interested. And when I did the running video, my son was driving it, and to be honest with you, he's been driving it a lot and I haven't driven it a whole ton, so people are asking me my opinion and things about this. So this video is going to be with me driving it, and I give it some tests. Now make sure you get to the end of the video where I take it up a piece of wood on an incline, and I keep increasing the incline. And this truck, well, you'll have to see for yourself. I just have to say I'm pretty impressed with what it could do. One thing that is also huge with it is it comes with 2 batteries with the link I put in the video notes, and I ran this thing for 30 minutes and it still had a charge. It's got LEDs in the front and in the back. This thing just keeps going and going and going, and with 2 batteries you should get at least an hour runtime. So guys, enough me blabbing, let's get to the video footage. I take it around on my side yard, go through a little terrain, and then we go for a climb test, and you'll see the UAV 124 scale crawler go to work, and you won't disappoint. Alright, take care guys. Enjoy the video footage.